trauma bond is an emotional trap. It forms when someone hurts you repeatedly, yet gives you just enough comfort to keep you holding on. Your heart clings to their rare moments of warmth. While your mind is drowning in confusion, it feels like a lifeline, but it behaves like a chain. It convinces you that the person causing the pain is the same person who can soothe it, which makes walking away feel impossible, even when you know it is destroying you. This is not love. It is survival mixed with hope, tied to someone who benefits from your struggle to let go. Let us get into the steps that will set you free from this chaos. Step 1. See it for what it is. The cycle of charm, evaluation, and discard is not random. It is not a misunderstanding. It is a carefully crafted system designed to keep you loyal, unsure, and always searching for the person they pretended to be. This is not your fault. You are responding with a human heart to someone who is using your heart as a tool. Step 2. Reclaim your mind. Stop chasing their approval. Stop trying to make them understand. Stop believing their version of reality. Your worth is not measured by their attention, their silence, or their manipulation. Every time you pull your mind back to your truth, you weaken their power over you. Little by little, their voice stops sounding like your own. Step 3. Create distance. Physical distance, emotional distance, digital distance. Every step away is a step toward freedom. Boundaries are not cruelty. Boundaries are armor. Every time you say no, every time you choose not to engage, every time you protect your peace, the bond loses strength. Their grip loosens, and your strength rises. Step 4. Feel it all. The grief, the rage, the confusion, the shock. Let every feeling move through you. Trauma bonds survive in silence and denial. Healing begins when you honor the truth of what this did to you, when you name the hurt, when you allow yourself to feel what you were never allowed to express. This is how the wound begins to close. Step 5. Reclaim your reality. Bring back the people who see you clearly, the ones who speak truth, who remind you of who you are, who mirror your real worth. Rebuild a world that reflects your value instead of their distortions. Let every voice of truth become louder than the voice that tried to break you. Step 6. Rediscover yourself. Who are you without their chaos coloring your days? What brings you joy? What makes you come alive? What reminds you that you are human, capable, worthy? Build a life so grounded, so meaningful, so yours, that their influence has nowhere to land. Step 7. Forgive yourself. Forgive the time you stayed. Forgive the hope you held. Forgive the effort you poured into someone who only took. This forgiveness is not a gift to them. It is a gift to the part of you that was simply doing your best with the love you had. This forgiveness is what opens the door. Breaking free will not happen in one moment, but every boundary you hold, every truth you tell yourself, every step you take back into your own life is a crack in the wall that held you. Every time you choose yourself, you win. Hold steady. Honor your boundaries as if they are the walls that protect your peace. Trust yourself more than the noise that tries to pull you back. This is your life, your path, and your second chance to rise in a way you were never allowed to before. You have the strength to rebuild, the clarity to choose better, and the courage to walk forward even when it feels uncertain. Take this step with a clear mind and a brave heart. Your future is waiting for you, and it is brighter than anything you have left behind. Thank you for being here. Until next time, I will see you in the next one.